This is a press briefing by the Election Commission of India that will be announcing the schedule for the general elections to the General Legislative Assembly of NCT of Delhi. So today is the day. At 2 p.m. we are told that when the Election Commission of India will be announcing the poll dates. Finally, the day has come as far as the announcement of the poll dates that are now concerned. When it comes to the Election Commission, the briefing that will be held at 2 p.m. The first information we are playing out right here on Times Now, as it was being anticipated that it is just round the corner with the first elections this year of 2025 would be of the national capital, a triangular contest this time that is being witnessed between the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party as well. Now from today onwards at 2 p.m. when the election dates are announced, the Model Code of Conduct or the MCC will now come into play. However, when it comes to the candidates of all of the three parties, certain that have names been announced. However, this press briefing is something that we will be all looking out for when it comes to standing by on India's election news headquarters on Times Now. We will be getting you the first-hand updates on the election dates today that would be announced by the Election Commission of India. So Delhi poll dates announcement today at 2 p.m. The press briefing by the Election Commission of India to announce the schedule for the general election to Legislative Assembly of NCT of Delhi at 2 p.m. We will now be standing by for the election announcement today that will be made. The triangular contest that we are looking at as far as the Congress, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party is now concerned, it has already led to a war of words, war of words that we have seen. And even when it comes to poster wars that has now been witnessed, there has been very interesting twists and turns as well as when it comes to the two parties that are said to be in alliance on a national front. However, when it comes to Delhi, we are looking at the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress Party being at loggerheads. The BJP on its own elections that have been now fought under the name and the face of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. However, when it comes to the CM face, that seems to be one of the issue that has been the bone of contention of all the three parties, excluding, however, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party. Of course, when it comes to the temporary CM barb that has already been taken by Chief Minister Atishi, who says that she will continue to work under the leadership and guidance of Arvind Kejriwal. So let's take a look as far as today's developments are concerned. Akansha, we will be standing by. 2 p.m. is the time when we are told that the Election Commission will be holding a press briefing. And in that press briefing, the election dates to Delhi polls or Delhi Dangal would be announced.
Well, absolutely, Amita. You see, today is quite important as at 2 o'clock is what we are learning. There will be an important press conference by Election Commission of India, and the schedule for the general election to the Legislative Assembly of NCT of Delhi will be announced today. So this will take place at 2 p.m. and this will be at Vigyan Bhavan, where there will be an important press conference by the Election Commission of India as far as the Delhi Assembly elections are concerned. So dates regarding that will be announced by the Election Commission today. And Amita, the fight in Delhi is quite important. This is a three-quarter fight between BJP, Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party this time, with Parvesh Verma of the Bharatiya Janata Party pitted against the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. On the other hand, in fact, what we are witnessing is Ramesh Viduri of the Bharatiya Janata Party is pitted against the current Chief Minister, Atishi. So the fight is very important here and it's very interesting in the national capital. Three-corner fight between Bharatiya Janata Party, Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party. The last election, Aam Aadmi Party won 62 of the seats. 8 went to the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party.
8 went to the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party failed to open its account. So this time it remains to be seen how it pans out and remains to be seen whether Congress will be open.
Looking for a comeback there as far as 10-year rule of the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, because the term, Mohit, good morning, the term of the current Delhi Assembly that expires on 23rd of February 2025, and it became essential that the Election Commission of India sooner or later announces the polling dates, and today is the day when we are expecting this afternoon when the announcement would be made.
Well, Amita, good morning.